وَرُسُلًا قَدْ قَصَصْنَاهُمْ عَلَيْكَ مِنْ قَبْلُ وَرُسُلًا لَمْ نَقْصُصْهُمْ عَلَيْكَ وَكَلَّمَ اللَّهُ مُوسَى تَكْلِيمًا.
And he also sent down revelations to those messengers whom he did not mention to you. Message from this ayat. If people don't recognize your grace and perfection, don't be disappointed. Is it not enough for you that Allah knows who you are? We know Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam, but due to this reason, no addition will be done to his good deeds, and neither the good deeds of the prophets whom Allah did not tell us about decreases because we don't know about them. There were thousands of mujahids in Khalifa Haroon Rashid's army who did not register their names. They didn't even take their salaries, just so that none but Allah would know them. Sa'ib bin Iqra conveyed to Hazrat Umar bin Khattab the news of those who were martyred in the battle of Nahawand. He enumerated the names of some great and well-known people and then said, "There are many other people, ordinary people, whom Amir al-Mu'minin doesn't know." Hearing this, Hazrat Umar wept and said, "They will not be at loss in the slightest terms just because Umar doesn't know him. God Almighty know them very well."